guys, I'm little brother Tim, and welcome to the Mr. Maple Show.
I have no idea what Matt's talking about. I'm Tim, this is my brother Matt. We do MrMaple.com, a mail order family business that ships Japanese maples and other cool, interesting rare plants directly to your door. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out MrMaple.com. We add 10 new plants every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You better check it out.
Guys, today we're talking about a very colorful lace leaf. This one is Acer palmatum dissectum pink filigree. Now, pink filigree is a showstopper, especially in those early spring months. This tree brings the high intensity color. You know, Vertree's book says that this is a hybrid between Stella Rosa and Ornatum. And I don't know if that's true or not, but I could see why anybody would assume that. The color is spectacular. Now, this one's also from Ghirardelli Nursery in Italy, where so many interesting cultivars come from.
Yeah, I mean, they've introduced Jordan. I mean, they've introduced Orange Dream, Fire Glow. I mean, they've got some classics. We might have to do a whole showcase on their nursery at some point because they've introduced so many great plants. And pink filigree is definitely one of them. The colors of that bright pink-red color in the early spring are outstanding. It's almost like you take ornatum and then you just turn it more and more of that pink-red color. I mean, it is outstanding. Late season, you start to get some lime greens behind that with that pink-red new growth. The colors are just outrageous. And then the fall color on this is a bright pink-red.
Yeah, this color is spectacular all season. Of course, we're looking at them out of leaf, but we'll throw some pics in here for you. I think we should shoot that Ghirardelli Nursery highlight so I can use an excuse to buy some chocolate on a tax write-off.
Now, pink filigree, you may sometimes see this get confused with filigree rouge, green filigree, or red filigree lace. And that's all because they all have that name, filigree, in the name. But that's just describing that lace leaf that pink filigree has. It is an Acer palmatum dissectum. So it's got that more divided leaf and a very nice weeping habit. This is a Japanese maple that ended up getting about 4 to 5 feet tall by about 5 to 6 foot wide in 10 years with that cascading umbrella that everyone loves about some of those weeping Japanese maples.
I feel like the color on this one is really, truly unique too. I mean, you get some really intense shades of pink in the early spring. Those petioles going out to each leaf can be like a lime greenish yellow color too, which really make that pink even stand out even more. I mean, it's highlighter pink some years. I've seen this one be some spectacular colors. Early morning sun, late day shade in hotter zones will give you your best colors later into the season. But this one seems to be very, very durable for its sun tolerance. Now, this one is a perfect pairing with any of your classic Japanese maples like Waterfall, Orangeola, or Tsumukiyama. This is going to go out and be a distinctly different color and give you something very unique in the landscape.
It'll also make a great container plant as long as you give it good drainage. We always talk about drainage when we talk about containers because good drainage is paramount to a healthy Japanese maple grown in a container. Pink filigree, it's going to make a great container plant, something you can extend your garden and bring it closer to your home so you can enjoy, or put it in unique places. You can't plant something because maybe it's on top of concrete or it's on top of a wooden deck. Japanese maple can bring that garden to you up close so you can enjoy it in a container in a unique way. Now, pink filigree, this plant just is outrageous. My favorite time of the season is probably that late spring to early summer when it starts to get some of those yellow-green colors in, but still has some of those intense bright red new growth to it. I mean, that's probably my favorite time of the season. What about you, Matt?
Definitely check this one out on Mr. Maple for a ton of different pictures. The fall color is underrated. I mean, definitely the spring color is where it's at for me. I think especially if you're giving this one early morning sun like I was mentioning, you can get some of the craziest shades of pink. And I think that time frame really sets this one apart from many others. I think that's its most colorful time. I've had orangey red in the fall though. I've had some high intensity colors in the fall on this one. It really shows out all year.
Now pair this with something like a summer gold for something that's starkly different, but not a large tree. I mean, a summer gold is going to get 6 to 8 foot in 10 years with an upright habit, yellow spring color. Well, this is going to have that intense red color. And then as this gets that yellow-green color in it, the summer gold is going to bring out that color.
If you notice on our website, Tim recommends pairing every plant we do with summer gold.
This is so true. So true. I love the color yellow and how you can contrast and play with the colors. And the intensity of this against the intensity of a yellow Japanese maple, pick something like a Golden Falls, a similar weeping habit. I mean, you've got some Japanese maples that are going to really show off well against each other.
Guys, this one is one that may be sold out when you're currently watching this. If it is, you can always sign up on MrMaple.com under pink filigree to get notified via email as soon as we have it back in stock. Definitely check out our full catalog here on the Mr. Maple Show. We put out videos 7 days a week. We have some crazy content. We do some great interviews. We do garden walkthroughs. We do all kinds of cool stuff. I definitely think you'll want to be a part of that. So definitely go through and check out our catalog of some other cultivar highlights as well if you like the cultivar stuff. I think we're further along than the books at this point for content.
Yeah, I think so. And we're going to keep putting out content each and every day. And remember, if you like Japanese maples, shop on MrMaple.com. We'd appreciate it.
Guys, buy one of these for your mom. She'll love it. If you don't, she'll probably cry and not like you anymore. I recommend getting your mom one of these. She'll love it. Definitely check it out on MrMaple.com today.
Take care.
God bless.
And have an awesome day.